Welcome back to Pimp My Ride.
Ooh.
Or wait, wrong show.
I thought it was Paint My Ride.
Ooh.
What's this thing called again?
This is called a Barracuda.
Oh, on Bad Tree Productions.
Bad Tree Productions.
So, the gang just all assembled in the League of...
I'm just Bad Tree Productions. Assemble!
in an undisclosed location.
In McGregor, Iowa.
With stub-fingered hunt.
And JayBo 6000.
Yep. The JayBo. Ooh,
And I'm just Blake.
Too.
What the hell do you got there?
A package.
Yeah.
Guess what it is?
A package? What do you think it is?
I'm going to write my idea down. I think it's armrests.
I think it's headliner.
It's
Carpet for the
It's a carpet
carpet. Yeah.
sound dampener.
You ordered one for a 9-inch Barracuda.
Yeah.
I mean,
A toy.
Yeah. The Malibu Barracuda.
Malibu Barracuda. What do you got? Uh-oh. Neighbors.
Packaging.
What the?
It's a can of paint.
What?
in a pair of gloves.
Metallic red
Ooh.
paint for vinyl.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean anything that like the dash. You know, the dash pad is actually pretty nice, but it's wrong color.
Why is
so
the cap black?
it's whatever. That's just that's what color it is there. So metallic red's kind of a bastard 67 color. So anyway, hard to find parts that are metallic red that are reproduction. So sometimes you gotta kind of roll your own. Right? There we go. So I'm gonna put it up in the paint area.
With the paint covered.
What?
Yeah.
Get one of Tyler's notes on it. Do not use on anything other than 67 Barracuda.
Should we really do that? Probably.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea.
Yeah.
Because you know somebody or someone's might have too many wobbly pops in their system. Oh, black lid. I need to paint these pulleys black. Oh. Why is it metallic red?
Shiny red.
Jeremy's getting ready to play Star Wars.
Go over yonder and put that on
the thing.
rain gutter.
Today we are working on the floor. We're gonna sander or wire wheel it at least and get all the grimy crud out of here, and then we're gonna paint it white. A nice surface. Yes, we'll brush it on. We did think this thing was pretty solid
This fancy brush, Jay.
upon further investigations.
Oh,
There we go. Right? And then we can.
A little bit of cancer right there, but
We can wash
it's
it.
the
I got
no,
unibody
it's
frame
paint, so you're gonna.
Yeah, I got paint.
right underneath of it, and it's solid. So
But I got paint trays.
I've been
too.
trying to kind of pick in the scaly shit
No.
from underneath of it, and I'm
Yeah, we gotta
probably just
address that before we paint, don't we?
hammer it down and
Yeah.
do something. I'm talking over here.
Yeah, we're talking with you though too.
Yeah,
So shut up.
Background noise.
Shut up while you talk.
They think they're the star of the show. It's really the Barracuda that's the star of the show. We're just along for the ride.
That sounded in our shit too.
So anyway,
Get them up to the top, but to get them in and out of the shop, we gotta.
a lot of prep work. We'll be back.
Change it to a sport.
You gotta get all this crap out of the trunk. That's what I'm gonna work on right now. Hey, where's that little green mealy thing?
Hey, I don't know.
I suppose it's under Andy's desk now that he works over in
Oh, shut the fuck up.
What?
I love you, Andy.
My friend's cool as your friend.
He's our friend too.
Oh, hey, so.
Got it. Found it.
Thanks.
So I guess a fan of the show stopped by Andy's shop last night too, and we were about done.
Yeah.
Mark or Mike, somebody works at 3M.
Mike.
I don't know, kind of older fella.
Yeah.
Glasses. He's a machinist or something over there, or he was, or is, or
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
But he's like, oh, and he's like, hey, you know Jeremy? And he's like, oh yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking, oh, like from the river, you know. He's like, oh no, he's like, Bad Tree Productions. I'm like, oh, you must work at 3M if you got time to watch Bad Tree Productions.
Oh.
Ladders in the way.
Hey Jay, what are you doing, man?
Shaking a can of paint, Blake.
Why?
Well, because I guess, well, we had a little, like a 3-inch by 3-inch hole in the floor. Even as good as the floors were, we had a spot that was rusty and needed to be removed. So we're gonna cut a little 3-inch by 3-inch piece that'll fit in there. But this part here, this here is, I don't know, is that torsion bar cross member? This is a cross member. Maybe it's a front frame rail or whatever. But that's the top of that. So what I want to do is I want to get some paint on that because we're going to put a piece of steel over top of this. And so I taped around where we already ground, so I don't have to grind that off again. So we're gonna throw a piece in here, paint this part here though first, just to get some protection, you know, out of it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. You bet. All right.
Good job. Good job, team. Jeremy's prepping said patch. Yeah. Arg.
Try it on this end right up here. I think. Well, let's see. How's this shit going away?
Push tighter.
Oh,
Nice.
I barely caught it.
I know, I see that. Well, I can't see through your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, it went through.
How about right
Yeah.
there?
Put your hands in the way of my...
Oh, quit with the excuses. Just do it.
Push tighter then.
Shut your ass. Get it where it's tight. Oh, damn it.
Okay.
Stop. Damn it. Stop laughing. Anything tight? Is this tightening up at all, or
Yeah, this is flush down here.
is it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
See anything that's flush here?
Right
Here. Up in here, would it be if I pushed on it? Or what?
Again, I can't. So, here. Here.
What do you think? There's a good spot right here, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
just tack, just follow every tack.
Well, yeah.
Right?
All right, come back later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jason's not satisfied, so he's gonna weld himself. Right. We got that patch panel done. Another patch panel done. You gonna tag all these up then?
Yep.
There you go. All right, don't let me hold you back.
All right.
Okay.
I need to get in here.
Here's the pad. You want the push pad?
Yeah. Thanks.
Need help getting in? Probably gonna need. Keeps giving me that look. I don't understand, but he keeps doing it. Just trying to help.
Halt production, Jay. I just got a notification. Scott Speed Shop just came out with a new video.
So we're gonna have a video basically of us watching a video, right?
Well, a video of us taking a break to watch his video.
That'll be the video.
Ooh,
All right.
Oh wait, what?
can't really see. Californian 340 Duster race car towed by General Lee Charger. New project. Hashtag junk her up. Ooh, can't wait to watch it. Whew. Go a little bit harder on this for a second. Did you show the grindage? We got the old patch in there from Jeremy's old furnace. Patch over there. Sweep it up. We're gonna rubber down and
Get some Rust Oleum on it.
mm-hmm. Oh,
Get that.
perfect floors.
Yeah, not bad.
That was amazing.
Yeah, subscribe to Scott Speed Shop. Hell of a guy. Really nice guy. Knows his stuff. Has commercials.
Oh no. That's it.
Almost ready to start wiping it down, then we're gonna paint it. Probably call it a night. All right, we're back at it. We just got done watching Judd's new video.
Ah!
Ah!
Thanks for the shout out, dude.
Hell yeah.
I like the beard too, by the way. Let it go, man.
Yeah, you guys are like pirates.
No shave November.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for that. We really appreciate it. We just got done.
December. No, wait.
Is it December?
I don't know, is it?
By the time this comes out,
Could be
it'll
wrong,
be.
I don't know.
Yeah,
We
it'll
don't
be
know
December
for
when
future.
this comes
Look at
out.
that.
So yeah, just got done mineral spiriting. Now we got to wipe up with blue towels. Got that little floor patch in. Got that one over there. And yeah, subframe connectors. I don't know if you can. God dang it, I gotta get down here.
All the way down there.
Subframe connectors are stitched in. They're part of the car now. So that's cool. Whew. So gonna wipe this stuff up and then we're gonna start laying down some white paint on the floor. Call that done. It's starting to look pretty damn close to being dry, Jeremy.
Yeah, did you touch it?
Yeah, I can see a couple wet spots
Touch
yet.
it.
No, then my greasy, oily finger will get on it. And then when Jay peels up the carpet 30 years from now, he'll be like, God dang, wait.
30 years from now, he'll be in that Wells Fargo bag.
Don't say that about my dad.
Yeah. He's not gonna live forever.
Shut up! So what are you doing, Jeremy?
Shaking paint.
You try to be like one of the machines?
Rust Oleum, protective enamel, stops rust.
Not sponsored.
No, we're not sponsored. We didn't even buy it.
No.
Jay did.
I painted this LP tank with that like 20 years ago, and
Oh
it
my
still looks
God.
good. So, I
20
don't
years
know.
ago.
How old was the guy back then?
You were 10.
10.
10.
14.
Okay. I'm gonna find the paint key.
Oh,
pick
no.
it up.
The paint key that Tyler shot it. He slammed the door shut on the paint can.
The bacon guy.
Alright, so that's what that kind of looks like. Jay could have ground them welds down better, but I guess we're covering it with carpet, they say. And then we found this little hole. It's almost like a 22 shot. There's no rust around it. So Jeremy's gonna just apply a thick coat of paint there.
Trying to work here. It's white.
That is white.
I think looks good. It's just getting mopped on, right?
I think so. I mean, I'd prefer to use a brush.
Let's see how far that goes.
Yeah. Stick it in the middle and meet each other.
Oh, yeah, one brush.
I can go around just cutting around the edges, and you can do the
That might not go very far. We don't know. Oh, you got some brushes in there too.
yeah. So we'll set you guys up in a strategic location.
Oh, we're done painting all of a sudden.
My back.
Oh, it only took us, what, 20 seconds to do that?
Maybe give or take
I
5 or
don't
10.
know what those restoration guys bitch about.
Right?
Paint's
It's super quick. Oh, I gotta get this thing propped up. There we go. White floor.
First coat.
Kind of looks like Uncle Tony's speed hole dart, Plan Z or whatever. He's got that interior is just all bright white.
Doesn't it remind you of a All white 60 super stock. No carpet. Van seats. Heater delete. Radio delete.
Little piece of fabric for the window. Oh, too bad we'll never see it eventually again.
No, not unless she barrel rolls at the big end. Jesus!
Jay's already rolled one CUDA. I don't want to be the next one in line.
Well, no, that's why you can't drive it.
Yeah, right.
He ain't rolling. Yeah.
Woo!
He ain't rolling nothing but the jack to lift it up to change oil.
And check out tire pressures.
Mm-hmm.
Wiggle his mustache around.
What mustache?
Yeah, what the hell ever happened to that thing?
I don't know, he's just got a chin Brillo pad.
He used to have the most iconic Caterpillar on his
Majestic,
face.
if you will.
Oh,
Majestic.
Yeah. You could tell if it was going to be a cold winter or not.
Right, start building nests in his mustache.
Yeah.
Squirrels would.
Black ones would come rolling over, and if they had a little brown stripe through them, you knew it was going to be a short winter.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever that means.
All right, well, we're gonna let that dry and do some more coats.
Mm-hmm. We probably won't bore you with that.
No.
So
Next time?
Next time.
Next time. Hey, thanks again, Jet over there. That telling you, man, we'll come down and see one of these days.
Oh yeah. We'll have to pick out a good blizzardy day or something.
Yeah, drive some A-bodies in a blizzard.
Ooh.
I got posse track.
Hell yeah. And Jeremy's crew cab dart.
Crew cab dart.
Woohoo.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So, thanks to all you guys from Scott's Speed Shop for dropping by and giving us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it.
And all the other heathens, you guys go to Scott's Speed Shop and subscribe to him now.
Right.
Fair is fair. We're all in this together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Mopar, baby.
Oh, Paul, baby.
All right, we're tired. Backs hurts. Backs hurt. All right, go whip this one up. See you later on the next one.
Dear, 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 dear.
Wipe your butt?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wipe your butt.
Whew, just got home. It's freezing out. Just seen Bigfoots and Mopars, so I don't want to forget you. Thanks for shouting us out. And hey guys, go check out Bigfoots and Mopars up in Minnesota. It's working on a sweet 70 Coronet right now. Man, them tires look like steamrollers, dude. Can't wait to see when it's done. All right, take it easy.